Hi friends, in the speed juniorக்காக 80 words per minute. Let us start now. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in addressing you this evening. I extend my warm greetings to you all of you. I hope that during this year Tamil Nadu will witness a steady economic growth and rise in the standard of living of the people. You are aware of the law and order situation that prevailed in our state prior to the assumption of office by the present government. You are also aware of the effective steps taken by the government to maintain law and order and to ensure peace in the state. The government proceed with this task as a matter of utmost urgency, infusing a new sense of confidence in the police machinery and encouraging it to fulfill its difficult responsibilities with complete devotion to duty. The people of Tamil Nadu wholeheartedly welcomed these efforts and gave their full support to the various steps taken by the government. As a result, within a few weeks after the assumption of office, the new government was able to control the illegal and objectionable activities of the anti-social elements in this state. While undertaking this task, it was found that the police force needed to be strengthened completely so as to make it an effective instrument against these evil forces and to function as the powerful guardian of law and order in the state. A modernization plan for the police force costing rupees 75 crores was sanctioned in the first instance. A sum of rupees 10 crores has been released for this purpose. The various reforms introduced in the police force during the last few months have given it a new vision, a new direction, and a new purpose. It is a matter of tremendous satisfaction to all of us that the police force in our state has fully risen to the occasion and has fulfilled its responsibilities most creditably, as a result of which we have been able to re-establish the rule of law in the state. The people of Tamil Nadu are aware of the effective steps taken by the government in the matter of Kaveri water dispute. The justice in our demand has been understood and appreciated by one and all. I would request the central government to take necessary steps at a very early date to settle the matter smoothly. I hope and trust that a satisfactory settlement will be reached as soon as possible. Letter from Messrs. Raman Brothers, Gandhinagar, Madras, to Messrs. Johnson Brothers, Netaji Road, Calcutta. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 24th November 1991 and as desired therein we have already sent to you by goods train all the items of wooden furniture required by you. We are sending here with the railway receipt and the invoice for the same. We request you to let us know the condition of the goods sent as soon as they are received by you. However, we would like to assure you that every effort has been taken at our end to ensure that the goods are in accordance with the specifications given by you at the time of your order. As per our agreement, the bill of cost has to be settled within 15 days from the date of receipt of the goods. I therefore request you to arrange for the payment without any delay. Yours faithfully.